It's a really exciting time at GeoSlam. Just over 3 months ago we announced the merger of GeoSlam and 3D laser mapping, which has really significantly increased our resources and capabilities to deliver industry-leading innovative solutions in the geospatial industry. Like our latest product that we launched this week, the ZEB Horizon. So the market's requested a longer range, simpler system, a more versatile system, and that's what we've been able to deliver. So the ZEB Horizon is our latest product, our latest handheld scanner. It's got a 100-meter range. It measures about 300,000 points per second. And not only can you walk around the environment and scan very, very quickly, but we can now mount that system onto a UAV. We can integrate it with a backpack with a 360-degree imagery. So it really is going to change the dynamics of the laser scanning industry.